Hi boys and girls, Miss Sanchez with you, and in this video we're going to be looking at our H brothers and we're going to be substituting our phonemes to read new words. So let's warm up by practicing these H brothers. Okay, what's this sound? Shh. What was that one? Ch. And that one? Last one. Ooh. I hope you've got them all now because we are going to learn to substitute our phonemes to read new words. So this is what we're going to do. Let's grab our first sound. Good job. Let's grab the next sound. I. So far we've got I, thin, thin. Santa is looking very thin. Okay, now here comes the substitution. We're going to take out the at the beginning and we're going to replace it with the sound ch. So we're substituting the for ch. Okay, so instead of in, we've now got ch in. Chin. Chin. There's the man's chin. Okay, let's substitute again. This time from the word chin, let's take out that last sound, n, and we're going to substitute it for the sound p. Okay, so instead of chin, it's now going to be chip, chip, chip. Can you see what we're doing there? It's a really clever trick to be able to read lots of different words. Okay, now let's substitute the first sound, ch. So from chip, we're going to take the ch away and we're going to substitute it with sh. So instead of ch-ip, we now have sh-ip, ship, ship. Okay, let's try another one. Are you ready? Let's substitute the middle sound this time. Let's take away the I sound and replace it with O. So instead of sh-ip, we now have sh-op, shop, shop. Okay, and now let's take the sh away and substitute it with ch. So instead of shop, we'll now have ch-op, chop, chop. Okay, are you ready to give it a try now? We've had quite a few words to practice. Now it's your job to substitute the phonemes to read new words. Okay, so start with this sound. Go, grab it. Next one. And that one. Okay, have you read that word? With. With. The children are playing with the ball. Did you get that right? Okay, now let's do some substituting. We're going to substitute the end sound th, and we're going to put in the sound sh. So instead of with, can you read the substituted word? Did you say wish? The girl is making a wish. Okay, now let's substitute that last sound again. We're replacing sh with the sound n. So instead of wish, we now have, can you guess it? Not wish, it's now win. Win. The man must have won his race. He wins. Okay, let's substitute that first sound. Ooh. Take it away and replace it with th. So instead of win, what do you have now? Did you say thin? In, thin. There's our Santa again, looking very thin. Okay, now this time, instead of substituting a letter, we're going to add a sound. Okay, so to the word thin, we're going to add the phoneme k at the end. Okay, so Thin has now become think. Think, think. Okay, now let's substitute that first sound with the sound p. Okay, so instead of ink, we're going to add the p at the start. Can you read that word? Ink has now become ink. Pink. I hope you're getting these. Okay, let's get rid of the k. It's the last one for today. Let's get rid of that sound k. And we're going to replace it with ch. So we're substituting the end sound from k with ch. Are you ready? Pink becomes not pink anymore. It's now pinch. Pinch. Can you see how the man is pinching his nose? Great job, everybody. I hope you're getting some good practice now at reading new words by substituting our phonemes. Keep working hard. Bye.